You ready for the party today? Why aren't you talking? Witness the eating habits of the nearly extinct Zax Sturgill.
Well, I start out short hauling and then ease into the 4 or 5 night air. 5 nights? Wow, what do you stand with no, the cat's got a sleeping compartment. Yep, it doesn't have a shower, does it? Well, that's why she needs to dive center. Mrs. Bowman's coming. She looks mad. Oh, geez, that's my fault. My ring's kind of blocking her driveway, so I better get her back to the lot before it closes. Anybody want to ride in the truck? Yeah, sure. Really? I don't think so. Oh, go on, darling. You get out of the house. Come on, if you can roll down the window.
Are you enjoying this? Is this gonna go on YouTube?
Hell no.
Why not?
Okay, that's Kathy.
Please?
Because I look like an idiot.
You were out there picking
That's
through
gonna
trash,
come
so here's
every other time how?
story, okay? We paid full price for that dog at Bronco, $400.
That's what they want for 200.
Oh,
Yeah,
baby.
well, we overpaid, on account of, we're making a fortune in the shop.
Got it, Lummy, but do be quick. We dined with the snob dad today.
Hi, yeah, Jackie just went out.
Vagina.
Where?
Holy shit, look, it's magic.
It doesn't work on me.
Holy shit, it's Brandon's cock.
Where's Brandon?
Failure. Holy shit, is that David Gower naked I see?
Ow. Ow. You had to take a freaking picture during the video.
Well, actually, I was attempting to stop the video, but since I have never done this, like, I thought was the button used to stop the video instead of the red button.
They seemed really nice, like they called me ma'am and everything,
How much is that?
It's still recording.
Why is it still recording?
Why would I let it?
Oh my god, that's my umbrella stand. Umbrellas.
Oh, die. It has a hole in the back.